Have you ever wandered through your garden and noticed a tiny, moving ball of fluff nestled among the leaves? At first glance, it might look like a stray bit of cotton or a piece of fuzz blown in by the wind. But look closer, and you'll discover something truly special, a living, breathing marvel of the insect world. Meet the yellow woolly bear, a caterpillar so soft and fuzzy that it's often compared to a miniature walking slipper. Its bright, cheerful color and gentle movements make it a favorite among nature lovers and curious kids alike. What makes these little creatures so fascinating is their thick coat of bristles. Each bristle is like a tiny hair, giving the caterpillar its signature fuzzy appearance. If you look closely, you'll see how the bristles catch the sunlight, shimmering as the caterpillar moves slowly along a leaf or stem. No two yellow woolly bears are exactly alike. Their colors can range from a dazzling bright yellow to a creamy white, or even a warm reddish-brown. This variety makes spotting them in the wild a delightful surprise, as you never know what color you'll find next. But those bristles aren't just for show. They serve as a clever defense mechanism, helping to protect the caterpillar from hungry predators. The bristles can be irritating to the touch, discouraging birds and insects from making a meal out of this fuzzy little creature. When danger is near, the yellow woolly bear has another trick up its sleeve. It curls itself into a tight protective ball, with its bristles sticking out in every direction. This makes it look like a tiny spiky donut, almost impossible for predators to eat. These caterpillars spend their days munching on a variety of garden plants, quietly playing their part in the ecosystem. They help keep plant growth in check, and provide food for other animals higher up the food chain. Their journey from egg to caterpillar to moth is nothing short of magical. After hatching, they spend weeks eating and growing, before eventually spinning a cocoon and transforming into a beautiful moth. This incredible metamorphosis is one of nature's most amazing stories. So, the next time you're outside, take a moment to look closely at the plants and leaves around you. You might just spot one of these delightful creatures making its way through your garden, adding a touch of wonder to your day. The yellow woolly bear is just one example of the incredible diversity of life that thrives in our own backyards. From tiny insects to colorful caterpillars, every creature plays a role in the web of life. More than just a fuzzy bug, the yellow woolly bear is a marvel of nature's design, perfectly adapted to survive and thrive in its environment. There's so much more to discover about these amazing caterpillars. From their secret hiding spots to their surprising behaviors, the world of the yellow woolly bear is full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Join us as we explore their world, following their adventures through gardens, fields, and forests. It's going to be a wild adventure you won't want to miss. Stay tuned for more fascinating facts and close-up encounters with these incredible creatures. The fuzzy slipper of the garden has many more secrets to share. Wondering where to find a yellow woolly bear? They're widespread across North America, from Canada to Mexico. These adaptable caterpillars thrive in various habitats, from meadows to gardens. You can spot them in woodlands, fields, and even agricultural areas. Their ability to live in diverse environments is key to their success. They're generalists, not specialists, making a home wherever there's food. Look for them on low-growing plants, weeds, and shrubs. In late summer and autumn, they search for a spot to build their cocoon. Their adaptability is admirable, showing that flexibility is a huge advantage. Whether in a city park or country lane, these caterpillars make it work. Their presence indicates a healthy ecosystem with plenty of plant life. Keep an eye out in your local green spaces for these fantastic travelers. What fuels the yellow woolly bear's energy? As a generalist feeder, it munches on a wide variety of plants. From dandelions and plantain weeds to sunflowers and clover, their menu is extensive. They even nibble on garden vegetables like cabbage and spinach. This diverse diet is a brilliant survival strategy, allowing them to adapt to new environments. If one food source is scarce, they simply switch to another. Every bite helps them grow and store energy for their transformation. Watching them eat is fascinating as they systematically chew through leaves. All this eating prepares them for the next incredible stage of their life. The yellow woolly bear's life is a tale of transformation, a journey that begins with a tiny, almost unnoticeable egg, and unfolds into one of nature's most astonishing spectacles. From the moment it hatches, the caterpillar is driven by a single purpose: to eat and grow, preparing itself for the incredible changes ahead. For weeks, the caterpillar munches on leaves, storing up energy for the next stage of its life. As it grows, it sheds its skin several times, each molt revealing a slightly larger, fuzzier version of itself. Eventually, it stops feeding and begins a new quest, searching for the perfect hidden spot where it can safely begin its transformation. Using its own bristles and a special silk it produces, the caterpillar carefully weaves a tough, protective casing around itself. This cocoon is more than just a shelter, it's a fortress, designed to keep the vulnerable creature safe from predators and harsh weather. Inside this tiny chamber, an extraordinary process begins. The caterpillar's body breaks down and reorganizes at a cellular level, transforming into a pupa. It's a complete reimagining of what it means to be alive as the old form dissolves and a new one takes shape. The pupal stage is a time of waiting and vulnerability. Depending on the season, the yellow woolly bear may remain in its cocoon for just a few weeks, or it might endure the long, cold months of winter, protected only by its silken shell. This process, which seems almost like science fiction, is happening quietly in gardens, forests, and fields all around us. Most of the time, we walk by without even noticing these tiny miracles unfolding in the undergrowth. The cocoon acts as a shield, protecting the pupa from freezing temperatures, hungry birds, and other dangers. It waits patiently, sensing the subtle changes in temperature and light that signal the arrival of spring. When the time is right, the transformation is complete. The cocoon splits open and a new creature emerges, a moth ready to begin the next chapter of its life. The journey of the fuzzy caterpillar, from a tiny, hungry larva to a beautiful adult moth, is about to reach its spectacular conclusion. Each stage is a testament to the resilience and adaptability of life. This metamorphosis is one of nature's most amazing transformations, a process that has inspired scientists, artists, and storytellers for generations. It reminds us that change, though sometimes hidden and mysterious, is at the heart of all living things. From caterpillar to cocoon, and finally to moth, it's a story of change, survival, and the endless possibilities of life. Each step is a small miracle, unfolding right before our eyes. The yellow woolly bear's journey is a testament to nature's wonders, a reminder that even the smallest creatures can undergo the most extraordinary changes. Stay tuned for the next chapter in this incredible life cycle, as we witness the final transformation and the beginning of a new adventure. The grand reveal of the yellow woolly bear's transformation is the Virginian tiger moth, a creature that emerges from its humble beginnings as a fuzzy caterpillar to become a delicate, ethereal moth. This transformation is one of nature's most fascinating metamorphoses, a process that takes place quietly but results in a truly stunning adult insect. As the moth emerges from its cocoon, it is a moment of vulnerability and wonder. Its wings, initially soft and crumpled, slowly expand and harden, preparing the moth for its very first flight. This process can take several hours, as the moth pumps fluid into its wings and waits for them to dry and strengthen. It's a delicate dance between patience and instinct, as the moth readies itself to explore the world. The Virginian tiger moth is instantly recognizable by its striking appearance. With a wingspan of about 2 inches, it displays a pure, snowy white coloration that stands out against the greens and browns of its natural habitat. This pristine white is not just for show. It can help the moth blend in with moonlit surroundings, offering some protection from predators. Hidden beneath its wings lies a secret burst of color. The moth's abdomen is a vibrant yellow or orange, adorned with bold black spots. This hidden pattern is only visible when the moth is at rest or disturbed, serving as a warning to potential predators that it may be unpalatable or toxic. The Virginian tiger moth is a nocturnal creature, spending its days resting motionless on tree bark or leaves, perfectly camouflaged from birds and other daytime threats. As night falls, it becomes active, taking to the air in search of sweet nectar from flowers and, most importantly, a mate to continue its lineage. Like many moths, the Virginian tiger moth is irresistibly drawn to artificial lights. You might spot one fluttering around a porch light or street lamp on a warm summer night, its white wings glowing in the artificial glow. Scientists believe this attraction to light may be linked to the moth's natural navigation by the moon and stars. The adult moth's life is fleeting, often lasting only a week or two. During this short time, its sole focus is on reproduction. It spends its nights searching for a mate, guided by pheromones and instinct, ensuring the next generation will soon begin its own journey. After mating, the female carefully lays her eggs on the underside of leaves, choosing locations that will provide her offspring with the best chance of survival. These tiny eggs are the start of a new cycle, soon to hatch into hungry caterpillars. The journey from egg to caterpillar, then to cocoon and finally to moth, is a remarkable story of change and adaptation. Each stage brings its own challenges and wonders, showcasing the resilience and beauty of this species. The Virginian tiger moth is a beautiful example of nature's wonders, a testament to the intricate cycles of life that unfold all around us, often unnoticed. Stay tuned as we continue to explore the incredible life cycle of this fascinating moth and discover more secrets hidden in the world of insects. The male Virginian tiger moth has a fascinating feature, the coremata. These tube-like sacs hidden in the abdomen inflate to attract females. Covered in fine hairs, they release pheromones, a chemical perfume. This signals to females that the male is a strong, healthy mate. The size and potency of the coremata indicate the male's quality. Derived from the caterpillar's diet, they show good survival genes. These strange organs are vital for the moth's reproductive strategy. The coremata highlight the complex world of insect communication. Even common moths have hidden secrets and amazing biological tools. There's a myth that woolly bear caterpillars predict winter severity. The legend says the width of their brown stripe forecasts the weather. A wide stripe means a mild winter, a narrow one means harsh conditions. It's a fun story, but it's just a myth. The stripe width actually relates to the caterpillar's age and feeding. As they grow, the brown band widens with each molt. The bands are a record of the caterpillar's past, not a weather forecast. While charming, the real science behind their appearance is fascinating. Their markings tell a story of growth in the season that has passed. The yellow woolly bear's color variation tells an interesting story. From pale yellow to reddish-brown, their color isn't random. Influenced by environment, temperature and diet, it reflects their life. Crowded conditions might lead to darker colors for camouflage or heat regulation. The food they eat can also affect their hue, making color a visual diary. This diversity helps them avoid predators by confusing search images. A wide range of colors increases their survival rate. Their fuzzy coat is a complex part of their survival toolkit. The yellow woolly bear's color is a testament to its adaptability. Stay tuned for more on these fascinating creatures. From fuzzy caterpillar to elegant moth, the yellow woolly bear's journey is remarkable. Its adaptability and diverse diet make it a true survivor. We've debunked myths and explored the moth's unique features. Even common creatures have complex, fascinating lives. The yellow woolly bear is a perfect ambassador for the insect world. Its life cycle is a lesson in metamorphosis and adaptation. This small creature tells a big story about nature's beauty and complexity. Next time you see one, appreciate its incredible journey. It's a future moth, a survivor, and a vital part of the ecosystem. Adventure and wonder are everywhere if we take the time to look. The yellow woolly bear is a reminder of nature's wild beauty.